Well, so I came into healthcare just about 4 years ago. And at the time, as I was sort of, after 20 plus years of sort of working in corporate America, I was considering my next move. And I felt really compelled to work in an industry that had made a meaningful impact. And so I was talking with Inova, and, not only was the job really attractive, but the culture of this organization felt really authentic, and that the mission that everyone was sort of centered on, and even today, 4 years in, I would say, like, it still is such a centering part of our culture and the work that we do every day. And then it was just the opportunity to impact lives in a positive way that really attracted me to this role and this industry. And our CEO, even as recently as, in the last week, the CrowdStrike incident and so forth, he makes a point of saying, like, every single person, no matter if they're at the bedside or behind the desk, impacts our delivery of healthcare. And so you're part of the patient experience, you're part of delivering healthcare. And that really resonated with me, that, we all have a role to play, and that all working together is really important to make sure that we can deliver the best care possible. So, beyond sort of that, there are so many similarities between healthcare and hospitality. But obviously, at their core, both are about taking care of people, but healthcare does it when people are at their most vulnerable. Hospitality, in some ways, seeks to take care of them when they're working, traveling, vacation. They're living their life. They're spending time with family, friends, colleagues. Both are important. Both have a role to play, and both have the opportunity to impact well-being in a positive way. And, in both instances, really gratifying spaces to work in.
Yeah, great. Yeah, no, and I love that, how you framed the CEO talking about everyone's role really impacting that patient experience. I think that's such a powerful thing when leaders emphasize that. I know there's that like classic story of like the janitor at NASA that, described his job as, helping people, helping put people on the moon and stuff like that. I think it goes all ways, right? It's everybody has some kind of line of sight to that end customer. So I think that's really powerful.
It's 100% true. We had an incident just that underscored that just recently, where we even say, like, someone who, like the janitor or the security guard that, might be working in one of our emergency departments, they're observing patients. They may see when a patient is in distress. And so, they have their primary job to do, but they have a real opportunity to impact patient care as well.